Transport. Transportation is the movement of people, animals and goods from one location to another. Transport infrastructure consists of the fixed installations necessary for transport and may be roads, railways, airways, waterways, canals and pipelines, and terminals such as airports, railway stations, bus stations, trucking terminals and seaports. Terminals may be used both for interchange of passengers and cargo and for maintenance. Indian public transport system is among the most heavily used in the world. India's rail network is the fourth largest and most heavily used system in the world, transporting over 6 billion passengers and over 350 million tons of goods annually. Road transport. Roads are the means that connect one place to another on the surface of the land. Different vehicles plying on roads like bullock carts, cycles, motorcycles, cars, truck, buses, etc. All of these constitute different means of road transport. Extension of roads in every corner of the country have also enhanced the use of motor-driven transport. India has a network of national highways connecting all the major cities and state capitals, forming the economic backbone of the country. Advantages: relatively cheaper mode of transport, faster speed for short distance, flexible mode of transport, provides door-to-door service, helps travel and carry goods in hilly areas. Disadvantages: transportation of goods in bulk involves high cost, not economical for long distance. Adverse weather conditions, road accidents, noise pollution. Rail transport. Rail services in India, first introduced in 1853, are provided by the state-run Indian Railways under the supervision of the Ministry of Railways. Indian Railways provides an important mode of transport in India, transporting over 18 million passengers and more than 2 million tons of freight daily across one of the largest and busiest rail networks in the world. The Mumbai Suburban Railway is the first rail system in India which began services in Mumbai in 1867, transports 6.3 million passengers daily and has the highest passenger density in the world. Advantages: convenient mode of transport, comparatively faster, suitable for carrying heavy goods, less affected by adverse weather conditions, ensures safety and security of goods. Disadvantages: not available in remote parts, not flexible, heavy losses of life as well as goods in case of accident, does not provide door-to-door services. Air transport. This is the fastest mode of transport. It carries goods and passengers through airways by using different aircrafts like passenger aircraft, cargo aircraft, helicopters, etc. Besides passengers, it generally carries goods that are less bulky or of high value. In hilly and mountainous areas where other mode of transport is not accessible, air transport is an important as well as convenient mode. Rapid economic growth in India has made air travel more affordable. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai is currently India's busiest airport in terms of passenger traffic. Advantages: fastest mode of transport, useful in travelling to remote areas, most convenient mode of transport, provides vital support to the national security and defence, less polluting as compared to road transport. Disadvantages: relatively more expensive mode of transport, not suitable for transporting heavy and bulky goods, affected by adverse weather conditions, not suitable for short distance travel. In case of accidents, it results in heavy losses of goods, property and life. Water transport. Water transport refers to movement of goods and passengers on waterways by using various means like boats, steamers, launches, ships, etc. With the help of these means, goods and passengers are carried to different places, both within as well as outside the country. The Inland Waterways Authority of India, IWAI, is the statutory authority in charge of the waterways in India. Advantages: relatively economical mode, safe mode of transport, cost of constructing and maintaining routes is very low, promotes international trade, protects the goods from sun, rain, wind, dust, etc. Disadvantages: navigability of different rivers, canals, etc. affect operations of different transport vessels. Slow mode of transport, adversely affected by weather conditions, requires large investments on ships and their maintenance, requires constant repairs and painting of ships.
मोनोरेल एंड मेट्रो ये अर्बन एरियाज में पाए जाने वाले रैपिड ट्रांजिट सिस्टम्स के टाइप्स है. These types of transport are energy efficient and less polluting too. A monorail is a railway in which the track consists of a single rail or a beam. The term is also used to describe the beam of the system or the trains travelling on such a beam or track. Examples of monorail in India is Mumbai Monorail.
Other modes of transport. Ropeway transport. In the hilly areas, trolleys move on wheels connected to a rope and are used for carrying passengers or goods, especially building materials, foods, etc. Pipeline transport. Pipeline transport sends goods through a pipe. Most commonly, liquid and gases are sent, but pneumatic tubes can also send solid capsules using compressed air.